Welcome to Smallppt. In this demo, we'll show you step-by-step how to create a complete presentation. First, we'll add a title, which sets the direction for the entire presentation. Next, we'll select an AI model. Smallppt lets you use the latest technologies GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5. Now it's time to customize. We can decide the number of slides we need, select a specific use case, and choose from 19 different languages. Once everything is set up, we'll generate a slideshow outline. In just seconds, your structure is ready, clear, and easy to understand. You can also edit and modify your outline at any time. The next step is to choose a template with a variety of styles designed for business, education, and creative projects. You'll find a style that suits your needs. And now it's here, your complete presentation is created almost instantly. With Smallppt, creating slideshows has never been faster, easier, and more efficient. Search smallppt.com now.